Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I will say from a presentation standpoint, this chart is pretty tricky to talk about because it's all about perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, scalper, and you bought up around there and your plan was to buy and sell within 15 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking kind of shaky. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, sure, the price did pull back from its highs, but within the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built over time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. So as far as that is concerned, and I'm not saying this is going to happen at all, but let's just say that the price actually comes down to the 22-cent mark. Again, not saying it's going to happen, but just to really illustrate, the overall kind of power of of the chart so far, in terms of the ability to build an uptrend. So let's see the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have a set of lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. A truly strong move is going to make progress to the upside. Again, I'm well aware if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, and you bought up around there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from a big picture point of view. So sure, the price pulled back today from those highs, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see that the price now still has plenty of opportunity to build an overall higher base, and that's what you want to see as far as the construction of those overall uptrends. So yeah, a little tricky to talk about, but assuming you do care about the big picture of things, then yeah, the bulls have the opportunity to build that higher base. So let's see if they can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.